All right, from our friends at Cleaning Cleaner, we have their pet-friendly washing machine cleaners. So if you've not seen these tabs before, if you've not seen these, it's pretty straightforward. Uh, your washing machine, it's washing off a bunch of dirty things all the time. And sometimes that sediment and the things that are coming off of it, the hairs, everything else, the oils, can kind of gather in spots. And so sometimes your washing machine just needs a little bit of help to get rid of the scent, to get rid of any of the sediment that might be caked on, to get rid of any of the hair that's accumulated in random spots. And that's where these comes in. Especially if you are a pet owner. We've got 2 dogs, Wally and Lloyd. And so there's a lot of pet hair around. And so these tablets are pretty simple. There's enough here for a year. Toss them in twice a month, set it on a cleaning cycle, and your washing machine is going to smell incredible. The sediment, the buildup, the gunk is going to be gone, especially if you have pets in the house. There's plenty of ingredients to dissolve things, but there's many natural ingredients in here, which is one of the things I appreciate, like citric acid, to help dissolve some of the soaps and the sediments and the hairs and things like that. Leaves your washing machine smelling incredible. It's just such an easy way to maintain your washer. Overall, if you're looking for a quick and easy way to keep your washer smelling good, to not have your towels still have that funky dog smell afterwards, check these out. I think you're gonna love them.